Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brainbean here again, and today this huge package arrived on my door from Razer. I don't know what's inside, but I can't really guess what it is based on the size of the package, so I thought it'd be cool to bring you guys along for the ride and check this thing out. So without any further ado, let's see what's inside. Oh my god, this is cool. All right, I'm gonna pull this out of the box and hopefully it'll translate on camera just how awesome this thing is. Actually, I'm gonna turn the box up first to show you guys. Look at that. Look how cool that is. And this is like acrylic. So it almost looks like it could be a light. The way these my soft boxes are reflecting off of it, looks like it could be like something cool you would mount up on the wall and have it light up. But that's pretty cool, and it has the raise the level cap kind of motto on there, which you guys kind of seen that phrase with some of the marketing associated with the new peripherals that they announced at PAX this year, which makes me think that this is probably some stuff, I'm just gonna drop that down there, that they unveiled, so hopefully that's what it is. Let's see, I'm gonna take this off. Looks like this part just comes off right here. That is cool. I might try to turn that into a light or something and lift this off, and oh man, that is cool, guys. Check this out. So inside this kit, looks like it's a press kit for the new peripherals that they did announce at PAX West this year. So we have what looks like the Razer Blackwidow Elite. You guys can definitely expect a review from me on this here pretty soon. And then also the Mamba, the new wireless Mamba mouse, and the Kraken Tournament Edition. So it's a pretty sweet little setup of peripherals here to kind of crank out a couple of more reviews for you guys. And so, damn, it's pretty cool. I mean, this little package here, how they had it all set up, is definitely pretty cool. So upon further inspection inside the box, also included was the Razer Specs Mini V2 Ultra Thin Gaming Mat. So it's like a tiny, super thin mouse pad. That's something that I'm pretty interested in checking out as well. Don't know if I'll do a full review on this one. Might even do like kind of a Razer mousepad roundup or something, since I do have quite a few of their mousepads now. And this would definitely be a pretty neat one just to kind of throw in there, because it is a neat, pretty cool, tiny little mousepad. And if it rolls up pretty nicely, it could make for kind of something to throw in a laptop bag or something like that. But getting into the actual kit itself here, I wanted to dive into it just a little bit more, show you guys what's inside and how it's packaged, because it is pretty neat. Also got a couple of these little press cards as well, that are basically just kind of like overviews. It's the same slides that you saw on the decks that they showed at PAX, that you can see there. Just kind of goes over some of the highlights of some of the products, but it's still really cool to have some media there to kind of look at and read that as well. But inside we've got the Razer Mamba wireless here, and also got the little dongle as well. This is one that I'm really excited to get my hands on and do a full review of and kind of test it out. I don't want to handle it too much just because I do like to film all my B-roll on stuff before I play with it and test it and all that, because then it gets dirty and looks kind of gross. But we'll move on here to the Krakens Tournament Edition. It's another one that I was really excited when I saw a lot of the stuff that they announced to release, because I feel like Razer's kind of been on fire recently with a lot of their stuff. So I'm excited to check all these out as well. And if you guys saw my review of the Kraken V2 USB, the 7.1 edition ones, I really like those as well. And then we have the Blackwidow Elite, which I'm excited about, although I'm a little bit bummed that it's the first Blackwidow in a long time that doesn't have the dedicated macro keys, but we'll see how it goes. And then it also does have the wrist rest included in there as well. Really cool kit though, guys. I mean, this is pretty damn awesome to have all of the new peripherals thrown together in this nice comprehensive kit. And I mean, the packaging is pretty damn cool. Like, you can't deny that. This is pretty damn neat. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to bring you guys along for the ride to unbox this thing. and you can definitely expect some reviews from me here in the near future. And I just want to say a huge thank you to Razer for sending this over. This is really, really cool, and I do think that I'm gonna try to find a way to turn this into some kind of light that I can mount on the wall, because that's too cool. That's awesome. All right, guys, well, that's it for the video. Give it a like if you enjoyed it, show your support, and you know the rest. So I will have more reviews, especially on some of this stuff here, coming for you in the near future. Y'all have a good night, and I will see you in the next one.